The portage disappeared, so I put down my canoe to scout out the terrain. I totally retraced my steps and then bushwhacked through a marsh and got completely stuck all the way up to my knees, and I couldn't move. So I was pretty freaked out, knowing that I was in the middle of nowhere. My heart was racing, and I began to wonder, how long might I be stuck here? Fortunately, I was wearing my chest pack. So I had a protein bar, and most importantly, I had my Zaleo satellite messenger just in case I needed to hit that SOS button and call for help. And that's the beauty of a chest pack. It gave me a sense of security, knowing that I had quick access to all my essential survival gear just in case. In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 reasons why I wear a chest pack on every canoe trip, and I'm reviewing the 2 best chest pack options: Hill People Gear, their original kit bag, and the FullTang Tactical Modular Chest Rig. Hey, I'm Matt. I lead Christian men, ministry leaders, and pastors on wilderness adventure trips to epic places for spiritual, emotional, and relational refreshment and renewal. Check out one of our 3 upcoming Revello adventure trips: Explorer Adventure in Wyoming, Voyager Adventure in northern Minnesota, and Scout Adventure in the hill country woods of Texas. I'll leave the link below. All right, chest packs are becoming increasingly popular in the outdoor adventure community, and for really good reason, because they offer the functionality of a backpack, but with better accessibility. And if you think about it, unlike a traditional backpack that requires you to stop and take it off and dig through it to find what you need, a chest pack keeps everything close and right in front of you. So here are the top 5 reasons why I wear a chest pack on every single canoe trip I go on. The first is accessibility. I can grab my slingshot, a snack, or a headlamp without stopping. All the essentials are just right here, ready when I need them. Second, these chest packs are extremely lightweight. Unlike a big, bulky backpack, a chest pack is compact and it doesn't weigh me down. And it feels like it's barely even there, giving me the freedom to move about without any extra strain on my shoulders or my back. The third reason is comfort. I wear a chest pack paddling for hours and it never bothers me. And it never gets in the way, and even when I'm portaging, like carrying a canoe overland from lake to lake, it doesn't rub or get in the way of the canoe pads. The fourth reason why I wear a chest pack on every canoe trip is durability. These 2 chest rigs that I'm showing you are super tough. They're made from high quality materials like 500D nylon. And what that means is that these chest packs can handle the wear and the tear of all the rugged adventures I take them on. They hold up no matter what I throw at them. And finally, they're just super practical. This is the perfect blend of storage and mobility. So whether I'm paddling into the wind or portaging through the rain or setting up camp after dark, these chest packs keep my most important gear organized and close, and that's really helpful. In fact, a chest pack is one of those pieces of gear I didn't realize how much I needed until I bought one and tried one out. After personally wearing one on my last several canoe trips, I can't imagine going without it. Accessible, lightweight, comfortable, durable, and practical, these chest packs are a game changer. Let's look at these 2 chest packs and you can decide which one you think is best for you. All right, let's start with the Hill People Gear Original Kit Bag. But first, a little background on Hill People Gear. Hill People Gear was founded by brothers Evan and Scott Hill. They grew up across the American West. Their dad was a part-time hunting guide and had them in the backcountry before they could even talk. Both brothers were Eagle Scouts and both have worked for the Forest Service, living on the land day in, day out. These guys know what they're doing. Now, why I love this chest pack. The Hill People Gear Original Kit Bag is more than just a chest rig. It's a thoughtfully designed piece of gear that checks every one of my boxes for functionality, durability, and comfort. And so here's what stands out to me. Okay, first, let's look at this rugged construction. Made with 500D nylon, this chest rig is built to handle the wear and tear of any outdoor adventure, whether you're on the water or deep in the backcountry. Let's look at the comfort of the design. I think this chest rig is super comfortable. Notice the mesh-backed H harness, which not only keeps your back cool, it's super comfortable, and it has a really low profile. It's thin, as are the straps, which means you can wear it on your own, or you can also wear it underneath a backpack, and it's not gonna bother you or rub or get in the way. Next, let's look at the thoughtful organization of this kit bag. First of all, I want to show you this front zipper pocket, which has not only a main area of storage here, but also 2 slot pockets. So for example, I keep my Zoleo satellite messenger here, and I drop my phone in here. Super accessible, nice that it's right up front. And then there's this main pocket or middle pocket, super roomy. It also has 2 front slots here. So I keep a signaling mirror here. I keep my fire kit with Wazoo fire tenders in case I need to start a fire in the rain or the wood is really wet. I keep my water filter up here. This is the Platypus Quick Draw in a Canuck water bag. I keep a lighter, my slingshot, and this is my slingshot ammo, a little pouch that I absolutely love from Tough Possum Gear. So one of the things that you'll notice is that the interior of this pack is lined with PALS Velcro. And PALS stands for Pouch Attachment Ladder System, which allows you to organize your interior pouch any way that you want with additional attachments so that you can organize your knife or your flashlight or whatever small tools you want to put in here. I like to use these different attachments from VanQuest. I think VanQuest makes some really good hook and loop Velcro attachments. But this pack not only has that PALS Velcro on the inside, it also has these loops here on the bottom. These would be super helpful to attach a knife or a flashlight or something on the underside of this pack that you want easy access to. Also, I love the durability of this pack. You've got these big number 10 zippers. They're stronger and more reliable than some of the smaller ones I see on chest packs. And these are just super helpful pull tags that they've attached, which is easy to grab, easy to find. And also, while I'm thinking about it, I don't know if you know this trick, but if you ever carry chapstick with you or any kind of lip balm, you can put chapstick and lip balm on these zippers to make them run a lot more smooth. Now let's look at this third compartment in the back. This is a really great storage area. It has one Velcro strip down the middle so that you can customize it with the attachment that you choose so you can carry what you want back here. I carry my Bushcraft knife. This is the LT Wright Bushcrafter. I absolutely love this knife, and I think it's very handy to have on my person at all times, and particularly whether I'm backpacking or paddling, being able to have it close by without having to stop and unbuckle a waist belt or try and get to it on my side. It's just super easy to open up this pocket and pull out my knife and use it whenever I need to. You can also carry a pistol. You can carry all sorts of things back here depending on the attachment that you want to buy. I really like these 3 pockets. I think it gives you a super amount of really helpful storage in addition to being able to attach something below. You also have these grim locks so you can hang this rig on another pack, or You can put lifter straps on it to help your load carry. So I really like the Hill People Gear original kit bag. Whether I'm canoeing or backpacking or setting this up as my fly fishing bag, this pack stays comfortable all day long. Trust me, once you go chest pack, you won't go back. Okay, now let's look at the FullTang Tactical Modular Chest Rig. This is the Gen 2, and man, it is a beast. This is an amazing chest rig. But first, a little background on FullTang Tactical, which is a small family-owned business run by JT in the backwoods of Tennessee. He handcrafts ballistic-grade tactical EDC gear for outdoor enthusiasts and the tactical operations community. And as the name implies, JT understands that in order to have quality, dependable gear, you've got to use quality, dependable materials that extend all the way to the core of the product. And so that's what JT does. Last month, I got the chance to meet JT in person, and I just really like him. He's an amazing human, approachable, kind, generous, and his customer service is outstanding. This kit bag is amazing. It comes in at 10 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 3 inches in height. Pretty much identical to the Hill People Gear kit bag. However, this one's about 2 ounces lighter, coming in at 14 ounces. All right, let's look at a few of the reasons why this kit bag stands out for me. First of all, this thing is built for tough environments. It's made with mil-spec materials like Squadron laminate, waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers, and water-repellent 500E Cordura nylon. This thing is tough. This chest rig also has unmatched versatility. So whether you're hiking or fishing or hunting or on a tactical mission, this chest pack is going to adapt with you. Let me show you what I mean. You can pull off this rear patch. And it converts from a chest rig into a backpack attachment, or with fully integrate with a plate carrier or any chest rig system that has hook and loop Velcro. You just unattach the shoulder straps and attach this to another piece of gear. I absolutely love that about this pack. The other thing that I love about this pack is that this rear pack pulls away from the kit bag so that you can actually expand your carry options by loading in another piece of hook and loop Velcro organizing system. So you can carry all sorts of things back here. First aid kit, deck calls, a pistol holder, magazine inserts, whatever you want to put back here and organize back here, it's super handy to be able to do so. I really like this option because you don't have to unzip to get what you need. It's exposed and it's accessible. Not only is this chest rig customizable, it's also super comfortable. It weighs only 14 ounces and you barely notice that it's on. I also think it's a little bit easier to put on this chest rig than the Hill People Gear chest rig because it doesn't have that H harness back. It does have padded mesh shoulder straps. You can see the mesh here. It's super low profile. So again, you can put a backpack on over it or you can shoulder a rifle with it. It's not going to get in the way. This rig also has MOLLE slots on the front that allows you to attach a variety of other pieces of attachment and gear. So for example, I use this multi-tool pouch to attach my slingshot. That makes my slingshot super accessible on the portage when we're in small game season and we hunt grouse with slingshots. It also has laser cut MOLLE webbing on the bottom. So again, you can attach a knife, bear spray. You could put a small tripod on here, whatever you need. This has so many attachment options all over the front and the bottom. The FullTang Tactical kit bag has one main pouch, and it's a big one. It has velvet-like interior Velcro loop and hook attachment on both the top and the bottom of the inside. So you can attach whatever attachments you want to the front or the back. So I have this attachment here that allows me to carry my phone here. This is my fire kit. I'm carrying a Swiss Army knife, a billows, a multi-tool, as well as a headlamp in here. I've got my oil for my knife, a signaling bag, and some paracord in here, and then a different version of the Tough Possum gear pouch. This is where I keep my slingshot ammo. I always use clay because it's biodegradable and doesn't harm the wildlife that I'm not trying to harm. This interior pouch is also attached together by these adjustable paracord straps. You can adjust it here, but what I like about that is it keeps the kit bag from opening up all the way, which is really handy if you're on the move. This chest rig is battle tested and trusted, not just for outdoor enthusiasts, but it's currently used by active duty military personnel and has also caught the attention of major government contractors for its durability and performance. So whether you're paddling deep into the wilderness lakes, hiking, hunting, or running a tactical mission, the Modular Chest Rig Kit Bag by FullTang Tactical is a practical piece of really well-made gear that you can trust and enjoy for a lifetime. One of the key principles of survival is keeping life-saving equipment on your person at all times, and that's exactly what these chest rigs offer. The convenience of having all your essentials within arm's reach is really hard to beat. These packs ensure that your gear stays organized, protected, and accessible. You don't have to stop, dig around through a pack, or waste precious time trying to figure out where your essentials are. Everything you need is right here in front of you, ready to go when you are. So whether you opt for the Hill People gear or the FullTang Tactical chest rig, both of these packs are incredibly well made, reliable, and versatile. From a quick day hike to a multi-day hunting trip, fly fishing weekend, or even a 9-day solo canoe trip, these chest packs have got you covered. So, which one's right for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. I hope this video has given you some insight into why I love my chest pack and why it might be the perfect new addition to your gear. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experience, I would love to hear you. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more high quality gear and clothing for your next outdoor adventure. Adventure waits. See you out there.